San Francisco, 1980. A man spends the night on a subway station floor with his young son. They have no home. His name is Chris Gardner. With only a few dollars in his pocket, he dreams of becoming a top stockbroker. Today, Chris Gardner is a multi-millionaire. But the question is, what is the psychology behind going from zero to the top? People who get rich from zero have brains that work differently. It's called a growth mindset. Ordinary people believe luck is everything, but the successful believe that with hard work and strategy, luck can be changed. They don't fear failure. To them, failure isn't defeat, it's a lesson on how to succeed next time. They don't dream of getting rich overnight. They believe in the compounding effect, 1% improvement every day. They can sacrifice instant gratification. Instead of buying an iPhone, they prefer to invest that money. Their focus is as sharp as a laser beam. No matter the obstacles, they never deviate from their goal. They value time more than money. They know lost money can be earned back, but lost time cannot. Their brain constantly looks for opportunities. Where ordinary people see problems, they see solutions. They never make excuses. Instead of "I don't have money," they ask, "How can I get the money?" You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Successful people associate with those wiser than them. They don't just think about saving, they think about multiplying money. Investing is their primary weapon. They know that the bigger the problem you solve for the world, the more money the world gives you. Those who get rich from zero don't spend to show off. They aren't ashamed to live a frugal lifestyle initially. They prioritize financial literacy. They understand how taxes, loans, and credit cards truly work. Hard work is a habit for them. While others sleep, they work to increase their skills. They take care of their health. They know a giant empire cannot be run with a sick body. They are patient. They know a big tree takes time to grow, and so does wealth. They don't take blind risks, they take calculated risks. They know exactly what they can lose and what they can gain. They add value to people's lives. Their goal isn't just to fill their own pockets, but to give something back. They break through their limiting beliefs. They have the courage to dream big. They are lifelong students. They believe that the day you stop learning is the day you stop growing. They know that work brings results. This unwavering faith sets them apart from the rest. They create multiple streams of income. They never rely on just one paycheck. They aren't afraid of debt if it helps build assets. They know the difference between good debt and bad debt. They maintain emotional discipline. They don't make financial decisions based on anger or hype. In the next part, we will learn 5 secret psychological strategies to go from zero to rich. Let's see how you can change your financial life starting today. Strategy 1. Pay yourself first. Before spending anything, set aside at least 10% of your income. This builds the foundation of your wealth. Prioritize your future self above all else. Strategy 2. The 80-20 rule. 20% of your efforts produce 80% of your results. Focus on that critical 20% of tasks instead of wasting time on unimportant things. Strategy 3. Automate your investing. Let a fixed amount go to your savings or investment account automatically. This removes the stress of decision-making and your wealth grows silently in the background. Strategy 4. Master the art of sales and negotiation. Every successful person is a great salesman. If you learn to sell your ideas or services, nothing can stop you. Strategy 5. Mental resilience. Don't give up even if the market crashes or your business fails. Millionaires survive tough times with a calm mind. Patience is the key to their success. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint. Plan for the long term. The true purpose of being rich is helping others. Those who give more, receive more. Your biggest asset is yourself. Invest in your own skills. Like Chris Gardner, you too can start from zero and reach the mountain peak. Just change your mindset. Take small steps today. 5 years from now, you will thank yourself. Let your journey to success begin right now. Are you able to save? What is the biggest obstacle in your journey to success? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video informative, subscribe and share it with a friend. Stay healthy and stay with BrainVas. Thank you.